Today we will start the new chapter, that is Directive Principle of State Policy. The first topic is a welfare state. The framers of our constitution had a dream of establishing a welfare state. So the leaders who had made our constitution, they had a dream that they want to establish a welfare state. Now in detail we will learn what actually a welfare state is. A welfare state is a country where citizens are guaranteed a healthy standard of living. That means they should have all the facilities to live their life peacefully. Equal opportunities, that means whether they are rich or poor, they should get all the opportunities. Full employment, that means whoever is a part of our country, they should get a job so that they can earn money and fulfill the needs for their family members. And a fair distribution of wealth, that means whether they are rich or poor, all the wealth, that means money, should be distributed in a fair and equal to all the people in our country.